the first thing I'm going to say is the most important thing. So make sure you're listening carefully to this. The focus for today, for this week's lesson, I really wanted you guys to do stuff with circles. The ellipse stuff is bonus material. For the practice assignment, you only have to do the questions about circles. So that's questions 7 through 16. I'm not writing that down anywhere. You will only hear that here. Okay, so it's like a bonus. You came to class today. You know that you only have to do problems 7 through 16 in the practice assignment. Okay, the rest of it, like I said, is on ellipses, which are really interesting. Especially since we were talking about the rocket launch today. There's lots of ellipses in space travel and that kind of thing. So it is a very useful thing, ellipses. If you already did the assignment and you did the work on ellipses, then good for you, because it's something that is actually pretty useful. The notes, you do have to do the entire thing of notes, but for the practice assignment, just numbers 7 through 16. So any questions about that before I go on? Oh, right, that's right. It is due tomorrow. I forgot about that because we didn't have class on Monday this week. I did push the due date back a day. So it's technically due tomorrow and not today like normal. The notes I did want you to finish before the Zoom today. So if those are not done yet, make sure you get those done and submitted soon. Okay, a couple other things that I wanted to talk about real quick is next week on Wednesday at 11:25, I will have this Zoom open so that you can drop in and say goodbye. I would love to see you guys one more time so we can kind of say goodbye at the end of the year. I won't have anything planned for that day, so don't expect to hear anything interesting, because I always have very interesting things to say, I know. But there won't be anything interesting planned or anything required planned. I would just love to have you guys drop in and say hello and goodbye. And that will be it for next week's class. It will not be required. Not that any of these are technically really required, but next week there will not be a lesson. Next week I will put out a survey for you guys to do, and that survey will be worth the same number of points that you would normally get during a week. So since it's 5 points for the notes and 5 points for the practice assignment, that survey will be worth 10 points next week, and then that's it. There won't be anything else for you to have to do for me. I wanted to make sure that you guys know, I did put out a question today to kind of reinforce this, but any work that I have assigned during distance learning can be turned in at any time for full credit. There's, you don't get marked down for turning in late work. So if you have anything that you haven't done and you need to get turned in still, get it turned in, you get full credit for it. And that question I put in Google Classroom, I made it worth 1,000,000 points so that it would encourage you guys to answer it. You're not really going to get 1,000,000 points for answering it. But it was just kind of a reminder that if you don't have all your work done, you can get your work done. It will help your grade. And the last day to turn stuff in will be next Wednesday, June 3rd, I think is the date, next Wednesday. And so that is all I wanted to talk to you guys about this week. That's it. So does anybody have any questions? Anything else you want to talk about before I release you and let you go? Awkward, silent pause. All right. So that short and sweet meeting is now over. Oh, question. Yes.
Ms. Russell?
Yes, Jack.
What time did you say the space launch was?
Let's see. I think Leo said it was officially at 1:30, so you'd probably want to tune in a little bit before that. And you can tune in now and you'll kind of see them preparing for it. I think Leo said that they were already, the astronauts were already in the rocket, ready to go. So
yeah, and they have like interviews going. There's like 5 or 6 different. There's like NASA's streaming it, a bunch of them.
Cool.
Sweet. Wait, where can I watch that at?
Just YouTube.
Got it? All right. And Leo, again, thanks for sharing that with everybody.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe.
So I'm going to ask
you.
you guys to turn your videos back on and leave after I say goodbye to you. So make sure I say you can say goodbye. So Blake, I see you. You can go hang out with Taj. Bye. Claire, you're good to go. Jordan, you're good to go. Sequoia, Xavier, Callie, Katie, Gianna, you guys are good to go. Sol and Jack, you guys are good to go. Aaron, Caden, Weston, May, Tyler, Zach, Jesse, Brooklyn, Grace, Michaela, Anna, Haley. Who else do I see? Alex, Kathy. Okay, Jacob, you can go ahead and go. Nate, if you would just say goodbye.
Sorry.
Okay, no worries. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Trenton, are you there? Christina, you can go. Thank you. Thanks, Trenton. Eli, are you there? Can I just hear you?
I'm here.
Okay,
Bye, Miss
thanks,
Castle.
Eli. You can go. Bye-bye. Sol and Jackson, are you there? Leo, you're good to go. Thank you.
I'll do all the work, I promise.
Okay, great. Thanks. Okay, bye, guys. Take care.
Adios, señorita.
Adios.